In today's video, I'm going to show you the quick setup of the Humbirdy bird feeder. This bird feeder was a Christmas gift for our mom. She's really into birds. This thing is so easy to set up and it's very nicely made. Let me walk you through it. It comes with all sorts of stuff. Many different mounting options, solar panel, instruction booklet, very easy to put together. That's where the solar panel plugs in. This fastener is used to remove the camera. The camera can swivel so you can focus on any angle you like. This rubber protective door hides a charging port and the power button. It comes with 4 different ways to mount it. You have your wood screws, wall mounting screws, masonry screws, and a strap if you want to hook it to a tree. It even comes with the Allen wrench. I decided to use some heavy-duty zip ties. I could have done a much better job mounting it, but that particular day the temperature was in the single digits and it was so cold. You'll need to download the Humbirdy app. You can either scan the QR code or go to the Google Play Store and download it. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install the software. The app will walk you through the final setup. Couldn't be any easier. Get ready for the feeding frenzy. This thing holds a lot of food. Thank you for watching the birds and my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.